So now we're going to do multi-step operations with matrices. All we're going to be doing here is basically combining our first two videos. We're going to combine the distributive or the multiplication aspect, or multiplying by a scalar, for our multiplying by a matrix rules, and then we're going to also combine that with our addition or subtraction rules. So we're given the problem if the matrix B, which is 1, 0, negative 1, 0, 5, 3, and matrix C, negative 6, 2, negative 1, 0, 5, 3, if those are our two matrices, we need to find 2C minus 3B. So to start off that problem, let's set it up like we're going to be treating it like a multiplication problem. So we're going to take 2 and multiply that by C. I'm going to rewrite the problem first. So negative 6, 2, negative 1, 0, 5, 3. And then we're subtracting that from 3 and then B. So rewriting B, which is 1, 0, negative 1, 0, 5, 3. Next thing I want to do is treat this like it's a multiplication problem. We're multiplying a matrix here. So let's distribute that 2 and let's distribute that 3. So that will give me negative 12, 4, negative 2. 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times 5 is 10. And 2 times 3 is 6. And then we're going to subtract that from 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 0 is 0. 3 times a negative 1 is a negative 3. And then 3 times 0 is 0. 3 times 5 is 15. And 3 times 3 is 9. Now, for those of you that were asking, why did I not multiply that by a negative 3? In essence, I did, but I haven't done that yet. I still brought down the subtraction problem to here. So that negative will be distributed as we subtract these problems. So now we're going to treat this just like a regular subtraction problem, just like we did with our addition problem in our addition video. We will just work with the corresponding values. So our first value that we will subtract will be negative 12 minus 3. So a negative 12 minus 3 is negative 15. 4 minus 0 is 4. Negative 2 minus a negative 3, we know that when we subtract a negative, that becomes a positive. So negative 2 minus a negative 3 actually becomes 1. 0 minus 0 is 0. 10 minus 15 is negative 5. And 6 minus 9 is negative 3. And that is our answer to our problem here.